Nyamira. Thank
you. Okay, sorry. I'll be very brief. Honorable Machogu, I had wanted to ask some question here, but from the history you've given us, it would appear that you are only deputy PC in Coast. Because during my research on you, I had come across a Mr. Machogu, who was a DC in Mombasa in 2003, who was charged in an anti-corruption court with the offense of misleading a tender board to award a 166 million road contract. Could that have been you?
That is me.
Ah, good. Very good. Yes, so if it was you, then you may want to help us understand how the matter ended, or the status of the matter as you speak.
What did you say was the charge?
The charge was misleading a tender board to award a shillings 166 million road contract in 2003.
Okay.
Then my research didn't mislead me. Two is the issue of teachers' employment. You know, during the campaigns, my coalition, the Azimio, had undertaken, upon assuming the reins of power, to employ all trained teachers who are unemployed. I remember the Kenya Kwanza coalition had a similar, more or less similar commitment. Indeed, it did sign a contract with or some kind of agreement with the teachers that it would also employ these unemployed teachers but are trained. So my question is, how soon, if and when you get lucky to be approved by Parliament, how soon should you expect a supplementary budget from you to enable you employ all these unemployed but trained teachers and to empower TSC to undertake its mandate effectively? Last is the issue of Egerton University specifically. That university is in a sorry state. The lecturers have been on strike now for I don't know how many years, since 20 whatever, and they have been on half pay since the middle of 2020. What urgent measures will you be taking to salvage that university, which is very critical for our national development? Thank you.
Robert.
Yeah, thank you, Chair.